we're going to do about coordinates today. So this is called coordinates in the first quadrant, okay? Don't worry about that too much, but basically what it means is that you're working with positive numbers, okay? Right, so the important thing to think about when you're doing coordinates is that you always go along the corridor before you go up the stairs. Now these are what coordinates look like, okay? So if we're looking at this point A and we're trying to figure out what the coordinates are for that letter or that point, we're going to go along to 1. Can you see how that cross or point is on 1? Okay, and up to 3. Can you see how it's on 3? Okay, so 1, 3. And when you're writing coordinates, you have to put a comma in between them and brackets around them. Okay, very often in tests, you won't get your mark if you just write 1, 3. You need the comma and you need the brackets. Okay, right, so let's look at B. B is here. So we're going to go along to 4 and up to 4. I'll do that again. B is here. So I'm going along to 4 and up to 4. If you need to draw yourself a line with a ruler from your point down to the axes, then that is fine. You can also do it this way, just if you need to be absolutely clear with yourself, that's fine. Okay, let's have a look at C. Okay, so the point C is on 5, 2. So I went along the corridor to 5 and up to 2. Okay, now for D, E and F, we've been given the coordinates, but we need to plot them on our graph. Okay, so D, we want D to be at 2, 1. So I'm going to go along to 2 and up to 1, put a mark there and label it D. So I went along to 2 and up to 1, put a mark and labelled it D. Done that one. E wants it to be at 6, 6. So we're going to go along to 6 and up to 6 and put a mark there. I'm just going to check. Yep, and yep, and that is going to be labelled E. Okay, and F, they want a mark at 1, 5. So go along the corridor to 1 and up to 5, put a mark, and I'm going to label it